What up, Moist Nation?
Ooh!
It's clock here. Oh, Mr. Donner. Oh, I took it. Oh, my God.
Oh, it's Trevor. Oh, and he won a chain. Oh.
Oh my God. Dude, is that an iPhone? Holy crap. Aaron, you put an iPhone here?
Dude, no way.
You put an iPhone on here.
Yep. Makes profit.
I have to get it. I have to get it. How many quarters do I have in me right now? Oh my gosh, I have enough. We gotta try for this. Holy crap. If I get this, Aaron.
Oh, that's like a $600 iPhone.
Oh my gosh.
No way. Well, there's a touch.
Oh, I don't know if it's gonna inch forward though, because it's so heavy.
Right.
Shoot, I hope it does. Let's go like there. Did the other coin go? Nope. Is there another?
There he goes.
Oh.
Wow, these aren't coming off.
What?
Here we go. Oh, it's moving
it's
forward.
moving. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Have you tried stackers?
Oh. Oh my gosh, it's actually coming.
Dude, I think maybe $5 to $10, I think.
I could legitimately win this. Holy crap. All right, guys, I really think we can win this.
I would say 3.
It's gonna go fill that right there. Let's put 2 in right like that.
In the bucket.
Push it off. Oh my, how is that happening? Look at that coin.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there it is.
I've never even seen that. Oh, there it goes. Oh, of course it dragged on. Let's put 2 at a time right there. Perfect.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Dang, it just keeps getting closer.
I want to do like.
All right.
Oh, that one moved. Oh, there you go.
It's not really moving the iPhone though. That's the problem. I mean, maybe a little bit. Oh, that moved it for sure.
Dude, this one looks like it's gonna.
Oh my gosh.
Try it, dude.
We're gonna get this iPhone. Oh, I thought it would move it more there. Come on, push it forward.
3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9.
Maybe I'll get that right there. Push that one off.
11,
Oh, it's inch. Oh my gosh, dude.
Wow.
This is doing well.
28, 29,
Oh, perfect. This next one is gonna do it.
Here we go.
33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39.
It keeps getting closer.
42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Nice.
Just take the 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Guys, I want this iPhone so bad.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
You want some coin?
Oh.
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 40.
Man, we just keep winning these quarters and that iPhone keeps getting closer. Yo, I'm so surprised nobody else has won this yet.
Yeah.
I think we got here like right in the nick of time. Drag it off nice. Sick.
There you go.
Okay, cool. Now I'll go back in the middle.
Yeah.
Because you see all those on the edge right there.
Right, right.
I just can't believe nobody's won this yet. Alright, cool. It filled that. So just move it like there. Oh, it's close. We'll push those off right there. Ah.
Oh, it's $1.
How much money do you start out with, Jimmy?
That's the first $1 I've spent.
Really?
Yeah. You want some change?
Ooh.
Oh, that moved it so much.
Ooh.
See how close it's getting?
Yeah. Was it you?
Nice.
We have to
That's
make sure we
moving
take
it
that
so
stuff
much,
in
dude.
when we leave.
It's getting closer.
Get that.
You gotta drop 200 quarters in there at once to see what.
Oh, did you say that out loud? Come on. Oh my gosh. It's like the timing is being all weird right now. I don't know why.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, dude. Just fell right there.
Oh, there you go.
Sweet.
Headphones right there.
Yeah, I have.
That was terrible. That was like the worst possible thing that could have happened. All right, come on. That should get those off. Now it should push those to the. It's on the edge.
To the window. To the wall. To the wall. Aaron, oh. Oh, 10 of them.
Okay, come on. Okay, there we go. Now we get them all.
What up?
Now we're starting to win them.
Oh, he won.
Oh yeah, you can have that, man.
Oh yeah, well, no, you left it over there. I wanted to make sure whoever won it.
Yeah, you can have it if you want it. If you want it. Yeah, I just win them.
I know, I seen it, I'm saying, I know who.
Oh, right, yeah, appreciate it.
Nice.
You gonna win it, Jimmy?
I am gonna win it.
No.
What kind of phone is that?
40 minutes.
iPhone 7.
Whose phone is it? Hey man.
I don't know. I just found it in here.
Oh, watching it, bro.
Aaron's what?
Font.
The font.
Oh.
Man. I forget now. I say that might get I know, I can't.
Nice.
I keep forgetting it.
Oh my gosh, it keeps inching forward. It's almost there. Oh, it went. There we go.
Yeah, I remember these back in the day when I was young at carnivals, man, until they outlawed it.
Really?
Oh my gosh.
He's gonna win an iPhone for like $10, dude.
It's true. Oh, I got it. All those are on the edge, so I can win all those and then the phone.
We're just get a measurement on this.
Wishful,
Where
good body.
Wishful thinking.
This change machine changes 20s.
I wish, dude. You know how much I
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It's gonna get there. Hopefully it falls in with the quarters.
It's going to be another 100,000 back and forth.
Oh, push it off, push it off. Yes.
There you go.
Okay, come on.
You have a lot of gaps, dude.
I know, that's the problem. I'll just fill it up a lot. Come on. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna come off.
I think with like 5 or 10 more bucks, it's guaranteed.
Really?
Yeah.
We have a couple drawn in the middle and the bottom.
Oh, like
I feel like once the quarters start falling under it, because you know it's kind of at an angle a little bit.
Yeah.
I feel like it's just gonna slide off.
Right, that's what I'm hoping.
Just kind of wrap through that way. Yeah, like you said.
Oh, yeah, you're right. If I just get a little bit more. This is offset by. It's only
Clock picker
solution.
would have to fit. Like, if you want
The timing down for sure.
a little off like from the front.
18 by 60,
Yeah.
and then 47. Right? Or 48.
You want to get stuck?
Pretty good.
Yes. Oh my God, it's okay. It's gonna do it. Only solution.
Guaranteed 100%.
Yep, has to be.
Oh, that's moving.
It is so close. Come on. Get it there. Oh, it freaking stacked on top of it.
If you can, well, if you get it, because
That might have been a good thing.
Breaks around.
That's perfect. And it. No, not there.
All right.
Okay, I'll take it. When this falls, so much change is gonna fall with it.
Yeah. Seconds.
57 of them.
Oh.
Oh my God! Oh my God! It almost did it right there.
Wow. Gapped.
Yeah.
Oh, Makineden.
Oh,
Where'd you
yeah.
win those?
17 and a half.
Carson's machine.
Oh, my machine?
Aaron's machine.
Oh.
Want to have a head pounding headache?
Oh, yes.
So put it. Oh. Thank you.
August.
Olga's Kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh my God! It is so close. Oh my
right
God!
here, go towards more of the edge to get this side off.
Yeah, so you avoid the gaps right there.
Does this machine take Makineden?
Oh my! Are you serious?
Feels good.
Oh yeah.
Are they
Want
fresh?
that one? Yeah.
I just put them in there. Oh, there they go. You know,
Who said
sometimes they like.
Yeah. So close.
Dude, 48 seconds. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, that is like the 5th time this freaking happened.
Oh god, that would.
Oh yes, yes. Oh, oh my gosh.
Couple more bucks, dude.
Block kicker sucks down there.
Oh, who said that?
We're gonna win this freaking iPhone. If it's the last thing I do, it's.
You haven't won that yet.
No, it's been machine form. Okay, please.
Oh.
It just all stacks on top of each other. It doesn't. Is it a whole dollar? Oh. Hey!
Whoa, Trevor did it.
$1.
Why did you come to the fan meet?
Remember when you said that? And 3 entertaining.
Oh, and the lights are shutting off.
Lights are coming
Okay,
off.
go. Okay, cut and new clip, go. Oh, it's a quarter. Get it.
Got it again.
This will be the lucky quarter that I put
Please,
in.
please.
Oh, who said that?
The lights are coming off. The place is closing. Oh my gosh.
There it is.
Oh.
Come on.
There's this.
Oh
My gosh.
Shaker machine out.
Hey, it's your turn to win the iPhone.
Another dollar.
Oh, one fell in your hand.
You want to lend me $5? No.
Stacked it on top.
You're not moving.
No, it's right there, Jimmy, dude.
Okay, Jimmy, I'll help you out. Here's $2. Here's $2.
Oh, here you go. You know what? I'm just gonna end this video. So I'm gonna put in all the quarters, and we're gonna win the iPhone.
We are. Guaranteed it's the only solution.
Only solution. There's 8 quarters.
Oh!
I just won an iPhone 7.
Whoa.
I can't even believe it. Oh my gosh. YouTube, bend over.
Get it out of there?
It's up. That's not my case. It's a new iPhone 7. Oh my god. How did that happen?
Wow.
Aaron?
Well,
You just lost how much? $600.
probably, but yes, guess what? You got all the change too.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, you won so much with that. Holy cow.
You want an iPhone?
Yeah.
Enter a giveaway to win a quarter. Oh, did I say that out
Did
loud?
you say that out loud?
Now, Jimmy, put your iPhone back and let's go.
Oh, okay. Oh, Jimmy Robertson. I'm curious. Oh, who said
Oh, who said that?
If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Moist Nation. And always remember to have a good
Day.